welcome to our YouTube channel Fun and City Champs. My name is Pranjul Rawat. I am a student of class 6. Today I am here to present a beautiful story which has a very good moral in it. It teaches us a very good moral that may help us to live a life happily. So let's start the story. And the title of the story is Two Friends and the Bear. Now the story goes from here. Vijay and Raju were friends on a holiday. They went into a forest, enjoying the beauty of nature. Suddenly they saw a bear coming at them. They became frightened. Raju, who knew all about climbing tree, ran up to a tree and climbed up quickly. He did not think of Vijay. Vijay had no idea how to climb the tree. Vijay thought for a second. He had heard animals do not prefer dead bodies. So he fell to the ground and held his breath. The bear sniffed him and thought he was dead. So it went on its way. Raju asked Vijay, "What did the bear whisper into your ears?" Vijay replied, "The bear asked me to keep away friends like you." Went on his way. After that, let's learn the moral of the story. So friends, moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay healthy. Stay safe. If you find this helpful, you can like, share this video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.